still relying on manual box folding and gluing, low efficiency, poor precision, and struggling to meet bulk order demands, then you need to check out this core equipment in the carton packaging industry. The photo gluer. Specially designed for die-cut and crisp cardboard, it completes folding and gluing process in one go, directly producing finished paper box and cartons. High-volume production, standardization, and precision are its key advantages, effortlessly solving the pain points of manual production. Whether it's common straight-line boxes, crash-lock bottom boxes, or complex 4-6 corner boxes, and the various foldable irregular-shaped boxes, it handles them with ease. Cenwan photo gluers come in 3 main series. Choose the right one for maximum efficiency. Cardboard photo gluer specializes in coated paper and E or F fluid corrugated boards, making it an expert in premium printed boxes. Ideal for high-end packaging like food boxes, cosmetic boxes, daily necessity boxes, and pharmaceutical boxes. Corrugated box photo gluer is generally versatile, handle both cardboard and corrugated paper. Perfect for mass-producing logistics, express, food and beverage transport boxes, and large-scale corrugated boxes production. Dual-channel integrated die-cutting and gluing production line, designed for high-volume production of standard express corrugated boxes up to millions per day, paired with an automatic packing machine. It's absolutely king of productivity. In summary, if you have large-scale production needs, whether for standard box structure or complex design like crash-lock bottom or irregular shapes, and prioritize speed and gluing quality, the photo gluer is your best choice. Manual box folding inefficient and inaccurate. Leave it to the photo gluer. Efficiency and quality will skyrocket.